all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello and welcome to News 9 Digital with me Adarsh Vepachedu. Did you know the elixir of life, water, can kill coronavirus? Did you also know that higher the temperature of water, lesser the viral particles of COVID-19? Well, in this News 9 Explainer, I will be speaking to you about a study that has shed more light on the potential of water to kill coronavirus and also as to how long can the virus survive on various surfaces. This study has also spoken about how your usual house disinfectants are more than enough to kill coronavirus. So, more about this study. It's in fact a study published in Russia by the Russian scientists belonging to the State Research Center of Virology and Biotechnology, also called Vector. And this study was published by the Russian Federal Service for Human Well-being, which also happens to be the watchdog for sanitation in Russia. And what the study noted is that the resilience or the strength of coronavirus is directly proportional to the temperature of the water. That essentially means hotter the water, weaker the coronavirus is. The research also noted that when it comes to room temperature water, 90% of the virus dies in about 24 hours and up to 99.9% of the virus dies in 72 hours, which is 3 days. But when it comes to boiling water, the moment coronavirus comes in contact with boiling water, the virus dies immediately and completely as well. So coronavirus can live in water in certain conditions. That's another point that the research has noted. However, the research underlined that coronavirus does not have the capability to multiply in either fresh water or even seas for that matter. And the research also noted that the virus, however, can remain active for about 48 hours on a bunch of surfaces ranging from your stainless steel that is used in most of your utensils, glass, plastic and ceramic surfaces as well. So the virus survives for 48 hours on these surfaces. So if you put the two things together, it essentially means that it is always good to go ahead and wash your utensils and your daily objects with water as hot as possible, which can really kill coronavirus. Now, what the research also noted is that when it comes to ethyl and isopropyl alcohols, which have about 30% concentration, they can kill 1 million viral particles in just about 30 seconds. However, previous studies have contradicted this claim. They've said that the concentration of ethyl and isopropyl alcohols needs to be at least 60%. So that essentially means that disinfectants with chlorine as well are quite useful, instrumental, and once you have a disinfectant come in contact with coronavirus, the virus dies completely in just about 30 seconds. So there you have it. This is the information coming in from this study, and once again, if you were to look at the big picture, it is essentially suggesting to you that you must go ahead and ensure that your floors are clean and try to use hot water wherever possible, even when it comes to cleaning your tables, various surfaces, and even when it comes to utensils. Use as hot water as possible, and yes, continue using your daily household disinfectants. Make sure the mopping is done, and again, in hot water, that will certainly help. If you like the information that I've shared with you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to News 9 on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Many thanks for joining us.